In this video we are going to learn how to clear history in YouTube and how to add videos to your watch later list. First, go to Library. Click History. Click History. Click Clear All Watch History and clear watch history. Now it's cleared. Next is adding videos to watch later. Go to Home. And search for a YouTube channel. Click their channel. Find the playlist or video you want. Mine is 1 hour playlist. Then, click Pause the video. Go the right side of the page where you can see the playlist. Click the 3 dots. Click Save to watch later. Then next video and so on. And if you want to add more videos, just find another playlist or video. Click Playlist. Click 1 hour playlist. Pause. And click Save to watch later. And find another playlist. After you save it to watch later, go back to your channel. And look on the left side of YouTube. Where you can find watch later. Just let it play. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Hit like, comment and subscribe. Hee hee hee.